In this quick video, we're going to talk about converting between radians and degrees. As you convert between any units, it doesn't matter if it's radians, degrees, meters, feet, whatever. You simply need to know a quantity, or simple equality between them. So for ours, 180 degrees, which is half a circle, is the same as pi radians, also half a circle. So this is our equality we're going to use over and over again. All right, so here we start with degrees and we're going to convert to radians. All right, so what we're going to do is multiply by our equality. The only thing you have to make sure is that the thing that you want is on the top, and the thing you don't want, the thing you want to get rid of, is on the bottom. The way you can see with this degrees up here and this degrees out here, they're going to cancel out. And then we can multiply 210 times pi radians on the top, 180 is all by itself on the bottom, and then 210 and 180 are both divisible by 30, so we can simplify to 7 pi over 6. The 210 over 180 is 7 over 6. All right, so to make sure that we write this equality in the right way so that our degrees cancel out. Here we have 5 pi over 3 radians, and we're going to convert it to degrees. The first step, same. The only difference you'll notice between this and the last slide is that this is flipped, because now I want to get rid of radians, and I want to keep degrees. So now the radians is going to cancel. Also, 9 times out of 10, the pi's will also cancel. Because normally we don't have pi's when we're talking about degrees. All right, then we can do 5 times 180 on the top, which is 900. 900 divided by 3 is 300. So 5 pi over 3 and 300 are the same. Again, really all just comes down to making sure you write this fraction in the right order and then just canceling out the things that you can. All right, so now you can convert backwards and forwards between degrees and radians.